This is my new favorite gadget. This is not just another ordinary tablet. This is the BOOX Note Air 2 Plus. It's an e-ink tablet which offers you a paper-like experience on a tablet that's unlike any other. This is probably the ultimate ebook reader and a great way to take handwritten notes other than using actual paper. However, the BOOX Note Air 2 Plus offers so much more. It comes pre-installed with Android 11, meaning you can access the Google Play Store and download all sorts of apps such as Gmail and even Amazon Kindle. It looks absolutely beautiful too, with a 10.3-inch paper-like e-ink screen, aluminium body. It's only 5.8mm thin and weighs 445 grams. It's also snappy with an octa-core CPU, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It has a large 3700 mAh battery which will last you for several days. It's finished in a beautiful pine green, comes bundled with a stylus so you can take notes and start doodling out of the box. It also comes with a magnetic case. I've been looking at ebook readers for a while now and an alternative way to take notes at work electronically, and this looks like just the device, and that's why